When you're thinking about buying a COOLWAY USA product, there are some important things you need to know before you commit. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 key points that will help you make an informed decision and compare COOLWAY USA to other options out there. By the end, you'll have a much clearer picture of whether it's the right choice for you, so make sure to stay tuned. First up, let's talk about the product quality. COOLWAY USA is known for its high-quality construction and durable materials. I've used the products myself, and one thing that stands out is the attention to detail. Whether it's their footwear or their latest apparel, everything is built to last without sacrificing comfort. Compared to other brands in the market, COOLWAY USA tends to hold up longer, especially when you consider its price point. Next thing, customer service is a major factor when buying from any company. COOLWAY USA offers great customer support with quick responses and an easy return process. In fact, I found their team to be more responsive than several competitors. If you run into any issues, you can rest assured that they'll be on it. This level of service is something that many companies in the same price range simply can't compete with. The third thing is the range of products they offer. COOLWAY USA covers a lot of ground when it comes to variety. Whether you're looking for stylish footwear, durable jackets, or other fashion items, they have a broad selection. This makes it easier to find exactly what you need without having to look elsewhere. Some competitors offer a more limited selection, which can be frustrating if you're looking for something specific. The fourth thing is their unique designs. What sets COOLWAY USA apart is how they combine both function and fashion. Many of their products are designed to be both trendy and practical, which is a tough balance to strike. If you compare their designs to other companies, you'll notice that they tend to be more innovative, especially in how they approach comfort in their footwear, something many other brands overlook. The fifth thing I want to mention is pricing. When compared to competitors, COOLWAY USA offers a great balance of affordability and quality. You're not paying a premium just for the brand name, like you might with some other well-known companies. Their pricing allows you to get high-quality products without breaking the bank. This is where COOLWAY USA really shines, especially if you're looking to get a good deal. Next, let's talk about shipping and delivery. COOLWAY USA is pretty solid when it comes to getting your items quickly. Their delivery times are competitive, and I've always had a smooth experience with them. Unlike other brands that can take weeks to ship your order, COOLWAY USA often delivers much faster. If you're in a hurry, this is a major win. The seventh and final thing to consider is the trial offer. If you're not sure whether COOLWAY USA is right for you, they offer a trial period that lets you test their products for free. This is an absolute game changer, especially since it gives you the opportunity to evaluate the product firsthand without any pressure to commit. If you want to give it a try, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Just click the first link in the description to get the best free trial available. So, if you're ready to test out COOLWAY USA for yourself, make sure to click that first link below. You'll get access to the best free trial, and you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits that you can't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to try the product risk-free and see if it's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching.